chest and on my elbow. And then he feels my base, and then he just rolls his joints underneath and picks my energy up. Well, there we go. So now my energy is rising, keep rising me, and I go with it. So I want to go up and lead him up, and then I sneak around underneath, and I put it back underneath him. When he gets to the edge of his balance, he comes back to me. Yep, and back underneath. Under, there. Okay, so now he's under my center, and then depending on how far I want to train, so you keep going, and now I'm right at the edges, and I come back underneath him. And we do this loop where we're going underneath each other's feet deeper and deeper into the ground. So you're training your mind to get under whatever your partner gives you. Once he starts to float and he starts to play the game, I keep the variables constant. The energy is there. Now he has to get underneath it. He catches me, then I catch him, and we do this looping backwards and forwards. If you're a healer and you have no interest in martial arts at all, just keep it very vertical, plane stuff. We're just going down and looping. If you're a push hands practitioner, you go into every awkward place where you're going to get caught in push hands. So you might be in this back corner, and then you drill through all the angles that you want to have a strong base. And you train all the unusual places. So your partner might have the hand on your shoulder, and you're underneath here, and you're picking your partner up through those awkward angles. And you very creatively do this loop exercise. If you have no interest in the martial framework, then just do it for sensitivity and grounding. And you'll notice that once you've equalized with that gravitational field, if he floats me up, I can be right up and just ground myself in the life force, not in gravity, to catch him. I don't need to sink and physically, I don't need to worry about gravity. I just relax into the field and manipulate his field. So you move from gravity being your grounding mechanism to life force being a grounding mechanism to astral grounding. When we get to the mental, the akasha and light, that's used for grounding and meditation, to ground yourself in a mental state. So the astral and physical is used more for the martial and healing and being grounded in all these different types of environments. And then the mental, astral, and the mental, akasha, and light is for grounding yourself in spiritual states, meditative states. And you don't need a training partner for that. You just pay attention and then spread the mind on that state until you can put yourself there comfortably. Then you release time and space to go to a higher state, and you move up the vibrational scale. So grounding of the mind for meditation, same principle as grounding the body for martial training. It's a relationship to gravity in the field, on whichever level you're working. Okay, have a play. Any questions, please ask.